Are you looking for the best dividend ETF on the ASX? Should you buy VHY, INCM, UMAX, or one of those high yield monthly income ETFs? The truth is, the highest dividend isn't always the best investment. In fact, many investors fall into what's called the yield trap. Today, I'll rank some of Australia's most popular dividend ETFs and show you which ones have actually delivered the best long-term returns. Let's get started. When investing for income, many people only look at the dividend yield. But here's the problem. Imagine one ETF pays you 8% every year, but its value drops by 10%. You're actually going backwards. Another ETF might pay just 5%, but its price grows steadily over time. Your total wealth increases. This is called total return. Total return equals dividend income plus capital growth. That's why smart investors focus on both. The ETFs were ranked based mainly on 5-year total returns. Other important factors included how much income they paid, whether dividends were franked, management fees, and whether the ETF preserved investors' capital over time. The results were surprising. Coming in at number 1, INCM. This ETF delivered around a 64.7% 5-year total return. Instead of chasing the highest yielding companies, it invests in quality global businesses with consistent dividend growth, often called dividend aristocrats. These are companies with long histories of increasing dividends. The lesson here, quality beats chasing yield. If you're looking for an Australian dividend ETF, VHY stood out as the best all-round choice. Here's why. Around a 5.5% dividend yield, approximately 83% franking, low management fees of just 0.25%. And importantly, it combined income with long-term capital growth. For many Australian investors, especially retirees, VHY offers a very balanced approach. You might think monthly dividends are automatically better, but history tells a different story. Many monthly income ETFs use covered call strategies to generate extra cash flow. While this can boost distributions, it may limit long-term growth. The research found monthly income ETFs averaged around 25% 5-year returns. Quarterly paying ETFs averaged closer to 47%. The takeaway? Don't choose an ETF just because it pays monthly. Some popular high-yield ETFs deserve extra caution. HVST, DVDY, and SWTZ have historically struggled with long-term capital growth. While distributions may look attractive, investors should always consider whether those payments are coming at the expense of shrinking capital. So, what's the verdict? Best overall dividend ETF, INCM. Best Australian dividend ETF, VHI. Best US income ETF, UMAX. And perhaps the biggest lesson of all, don't chase the highest dividend yield. Focus on total returns, reasonable fees, sustainable income, and long-term growth. Because successful investing isn't about collecting the biggest dividend check today. It's about building lasting wealth for tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Australian investing and ETF insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.